Viewers, it is video of file transfer from my phone to computer or laptop, or computer laptop to phone. It is best method and fast method. Let's see how transfer any file from your phone to laptop or laptop to phone. Let's see. For this you need for charger point, USB charger cable. It is my charger cable. Now this side enter my phone, okay, and another side enter my laptop or computer. It is another side, it is enter my phone. Okay, now entering my phone. Yes. Now you check your notification. Charging my phone. No, I need transfer file. So see the notification. There is my notification. Click here. Again click here. Number 2 option, file transfer. Select file transfer option. Now give your phone lock password. Use your screen lock password. Now go your laptop or computer, file manager. Now select your phone. It is my phone, okay, it is my phone memory, okay, select here. Now it is my phone files. I want to transfer some videos from this file, okay, select all my videos. Now copy all. Okay, copied all thing. Now go my computer files or laptop files. Go any files. Do you want to save your file that copied from the phone memory? Okay, I will paste here. Every video is big files videos. Very fast, and it is this method is very fast and best and very safe method. No need internet or anything, only need your charger cable. Okay, I hope it is best method. Transferring my file. Okay, all thing is transfer. Now you want to transfer from your laptop or computer to phone. For this select any data from your computer, like this. Suppose I want to transfer this photo. For this copy. Now go your phone, go your phone memory. Now paste any file, or okay, I paste this. This is my photos. Okay, like this you can transfer any file from your phone to computer, laptop, or laptop to your phone. Now okay, now I go my file manager. There is do not have phone option, okay, I hope it is very helpful video for you. You can like this video or comments. You can subscribe my page or account. Viewers, if you like this video or helpful for you, you can like this video or comments or subscribe my channel or follow my page. Okay, thank you.